Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's learn how to make green plantain and rice fufu. This fufu is very healthy and it contains a lot of mineral and vitamins. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First thing first, let's measure out the rice, and after measuring it, I will go ahead to start washing it. I will be using raw rice or rice grain. Okay, you can decide to use rice flour, there is no problem about that. For the rice, I will keep washing it until the water runs clean and clear, after which I will soak it and set aside. You know, rice is a hard grain, so it have to be soaked until I am ready to use it. As the rice is set aside, I will proceed to peel the green or unripe plantain. You may decide to peel them as long as they comes, or cut them into two for easy peeling to avoid hurting yourself. Just bear in mind that after peeling the plantain, I will cut them in chunks or dice them to help my blender do its job easily and smoothly. Yes, I am done peeling and dicing the unripe plantain. Next is to blend it, and right inside my blender I will pour a little water, just a little low, and then pour the diced plantain as my blender can contain at a go, and blend until very smooth. Now this is a blended plantain batter. I will transfer the batter to my clean pot and then proceed to blend the rice that I have washed and soaked earlier before now. I will as well add a little water to my blender and blend the rice until very smooth. For the rice grain, use your high power blender, but why you don't have a very strong blender, please parboil or soak it first before blending, or better still, use your rice flour. Alright, now the rice is very smooth and I have our nicely blended rice batter right here. I will transfer it to a pot where I've poured the plantain already. After pouring it, I will go ahead to mix the green plantain and rice batter to combine.
Something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something.
Once everything is well mixed, I will transfer it to the heat and keep stirring until the batter solidifies. Please keep stirring and stirring without removing your hands to avoid a lumpy swallow or fufu. While stirring, please apply some patience, for they say a patient don't eat the fattest bone, and at this stage you will start noticing little lumps. Please do not be afraid of the lumps. This is normal, so far you keep stirring without removing your hand. It will definitely break up with time.
Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be yours.
Once the green plantain and rice swallow comes together just as you are seeing, I will go ahead to add a little water to it and cover to cook well on a low heat for 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, wow, I will go ahead to stir together once again until everything is nicely combined. I just feel like eating the swallow now. Who else is with me? Please, beautiful family, give this video a thumbs up. At least you have seen the result of what we have been trying since, and the video deserves your thumbs up. Share this video to your families and friends for them to learn a new thing, because everybody deserves learning a new thing this year. Drop your comment and subscribe to this channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload beautiful videos like this. Thank you. And here the plantain and rice swallow is ready, and it looks so fluffy and beautiful. I will remove from the heat and allow it to cool down a bit before wrapping it in portions. I will show you guys how I wrap the first and second swallow and then continue the rest of them off the camera. Please keep watching.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
And here we are done wrapping all of them. Can you see how beautiful they look like? This swallow is calling my name right away. You can enjoy this swallow with any soup of your choice. Try making this healthy swallow, plantain and rice fufu combo, and tag me on all social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even on YouTube here. Please like this video, share the video, drop your comment, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a beautiful video like this. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will sure see you in our next video. Bye bye.